If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To delete an embedded chart from a worksheet in Excel, first select the chart area by clicking the chart area in the chart, or by selecting the chart area choice from the Chart Elements drop-down menu in the current selection button group on the Format Contextual tab of the ribbon. Then press the Delete key on your keyboard to delete the chart object from the worksheet. Alternatively, to delete a chart that appears on its own worksheet in the workbook, you must delete the worksheet containing the chart to remove it from the workbook. To do this, right-click the Worksheet tab that contains the chart in Excel. Then choose the Delete command from the pop-up menu that appears. In the confirmation message box that appears, click the Delete button to permanently remove the worksheet containing the chart. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.